In this video, we'll explore the crucial topic of performance monitoring for Node.js applications. Node.js is a powerful runtime environment, but to ensure your applications remain responsive and reliable, effective monitoring is essential. We'll cover key aspects such as tracking metrics, analyzing performance, and setting up proper monitoring strategies. Let's dive in to learn how to keep your Node.js applications running smoothly. Let's understand why performance monitoring is so important. Firstly, it helps you identify bottlenecks early in the development process, preventing performance issues from reaching your users. Secondly, by optimizing resource usage, you can significantly reduce operational costs. Thirdly, a well-performing application leads to an improved user experience, increasing user satisfaction and engagement. Finally, performance monitoring allows you to optimize resource usage, ensuring that your application runs efficiently. Studies show that 47% of users abandon slow websites, and a mere 100-millisecond delay can drastically reduce conversion rates. So, performance monitoring is not just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. To effectively monitor your Node.js applications, it's essential to focus on key performance indicators. These metrics provide insights into different aspects of your application's health. One of the main aspects is performance, which includes metrics like response time, throughput, also known as requests per second, event loop lag, and CPU usage. Another key aspect is resources, which includes metrics like memory usage, heap statistics, garbage collection, and active handles. By keeping a close watch on these metrics, you can quickly identify and address any performance bottlenecks or resource constraints. Node.js provides built-in tools for performance measurement, primarily through the perf_hooks module. This module allows you to take high-resolution timing measurements, enabling precise performance analysis. You can use performance.now to get high-resolution timing measurements. Here's a basic example. First, require the performance from the perf_hooks module. Then record the start time using performance.now. Execute your code and then record the end time. Calculate the duration by subtracting the start time from the end time. Finally, log the duration to the console. This provides a simple yet effective way to measure the execution time of specific code blocks in your application. Monitoring memory usage is crucial for identifying and preventing memory leaks in your Node.js applications. You can achieve this using process.memoryUsage, which provides detailed information about your application's memory consumption. Key metrics to track include resident set size, heap total, heap used, and external memory consumption. Here's how to monitor memory usage. First, define a function called log_memoryUsage. Inside this function, get the memory usage using process.memoryUsage. Then, log the resident set size, the total heap memory, and the used heap memory to the console. Finally, use setInterval to call this function every 5 seconds. By regularly logging these metrics, you can identify memory leaks. The event loop is at the heart of Node.js's non-blocking, asynchronous architecture. Monitoring its performance is essential for maintaining application responsiveness. High event loop lag indicates that CPU-intensive tasks are blocking the event loop, causing delays and impacting performance. Here's how to detect event loop lag. Define a function called monitorEventLoop. Then, get the current high-resolution time using process.herTime. Use setImmediate to execute a callback function as soon as the event loop is free. Calculate the lag by comparing the current time to the start time. Log the event loop lag to the console. Use setTimeout to call the monitorEventLoop function every 1 second. To enhance your monitoring capabilities, consider using specialized tools designed for Node.js performance analysis. These tools provide advanced features and insights that go beyond the built-in APIs. Some application performance monitoring solutions includes Relic, which is a full-stack observability platform with real-time monitoring and error tracking. Another one is Datadog, which is an infrastructure monitoring tool with custom metrics and log aggregation capabilities. Some open-source tools include Prometheus, a time series database with powerful querying and Grafana integration. Another one is Clinic.js, a Node.js performance profiling suite for diagnosing performance issues. To wrap up, let's summarize the best practices for effective Node.js performance monitoring. First, monitor continuously, not just when issues arise. Second, set meaningful thresholds and alerts to proactively identify potential problems. Third, track trends over time to understand performance patterns and detect anomalies. Fourth, automate monitoring and alerting processes to ensure timely responses. Fifth, use profiling tools to pinpoint specific bottlenecks in your code. To take the next steps, start with built-in Node.js APIs, establish baseline metrics, and gradually integrate advanced monitoring solutions. Remember, performance monitoring is essential for maintaining scalable and reliable Node.js applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.